Namaste and welcome to Explogalore. Have you ever tasted a dish so rich in tradition that every bite transports you straight to the heart of Punjab? Today, we're exploring one of India's most beloved winter delicacies, Makki Ki Roti and Sarson Ka Saag. In this video, you'll discover the fascinating story behind this iconic dish, its cultural significance, nutritional benefits, authentic preparation secrets, serving ideas, and much more. For the complete recipe, detailed cooking instructions, ingredient substitutions, and expert tips, visit our blog. The link is available in the description below. Now let's journey into the golden mustard fields of Punjab and uncover the magic behind this timeless culinary masterpiece. The soul of Punjab. Imagine endless yellow mustard fields stretching to the horizon, chilly winter mornings, and the aroma of freshly cooked Makki Ki Roti filling the air. This is Punjab in its purest form. Makki Ki Roti and Sarson Ka Saag were born from the agricultural traditions of Punjab, where mustard greens and corn flour were naturally abundant during winter. For generations, families gathered around warm fires, sharing stories, laughter, and this nourishing meal that became much more than food. It became a symbol of togetherness, tradition, and love. Why this dish has survived generations? In a world filled with fast food and changing food trends, Makki Ki Roti and Sarson Ka Saag continue to hold a special place in countless hearts. Why? Because this dish represents home. For Punjabis living anywhere in the world, the aroma of simmering saag instantly brings back cherished memories of grandparents, family gatherings, and festive winters. Every time a parent teaches a child how to prepare this dish, they pass down not just a recipe, but a treasured piece of cultural heritage, a nutritional powerhouse beyond its incredible taste. This classic pairing is packed with nutrition. Mustard greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron and calcium that help strengthen immunity during the colder months. Makki Ki Roti provides complex carbohydrates and fiber that deliver sustained energy throughout the day. Traditional accompaniments like white butter, jaggery, and ghee add essential fats and warmth, creating a perfectly balanced winter meal that nourishes both body and soul. Choosing the right ingredients. Authenticity begins with the ingredients. Fresh mustard greens form the heart of Sarson Ka Saag, while spinach and bathua help create its smooth texture and balanced flavor. For Makki Ki Roti, medium ground yellow cornmeal is essential. Simple ingredients like ginger, garlic, green chilies, cumin, hing, and ghee create the unmistakable Punjabi aroma that makes this dish so special. The secret isn't complexity. It's selecting quality ingredients and respecting tradition. The secret behind perfect Sarson Ka Saag. Great Sarson Ka Saag starts with properly cleaned greens. After washing thoroughly, the greens are gently blanched and immediately cooled in ice water to preserve their vibrant color and nutrients. The texture is crucial. Authentic saag should be slightly coarse, never completely smooth. A touch of makki ka atta helps thicken the mixture, while a flavorful tempering of ghee, cumin, garlic, and hing transforms simple greens into a rich, comforting delicacy that defines Punjabi winters. Mastering Makki Ki Roti. Makki Ki Roti may appear simple, but mastering it requires patience. The dough is prepared using hot water to help bind the cornmeal, creating a texture that's soft yet workable. Unlike wheat rotis, Makki Ki Roti must be rolled carefully and cooked slowly on a hot griddle. The result? A rustic flatbread with a slightly crisp exterior and a soft interior that perfectly complements the richness of Sarson Ka Saag. Serving like a Punjabi family. Serving this dish is an art in itself. A generous dollop of white butter slowly melting over hot saag is almost mandatory. Add a piece of jaggery for sweetness, fresh onions for crunch, and a tall glass of creamy lassi to complete the experience. Whether served traditionally or presented with a modern touch, this meal delivers warmth, comfort, and unforgettable flavor in every bite. Practical tips and common mistakes. Want restaurant quality results at home? Prepare the saag a day in advance to deepen its flavors. Store leftovers properly in airtight containers and always reheat gently with a fresh tempering of ghee, cumin and garlic. If your Makki Ki Roti cracks, don't worry. Hot water and a little patience usually solve the problem. Remember, perfection comes with practice, and every attempt brings you closer to authentic Punjabi cooking. Before we conclude, I'd like to share a personal memory. My own love for Makki Ki Roti and Sarson Ka Saag began on a cold December evening in Ludhiana while waiting for the arrival of our first child. That meal was far more than food. The warmth of the family, the generosity of Punjabi hospitality, and the unforgettable flavors created a memory that remains alive even today. Since then, no winter feels complete without this cherished tradition finding its place on our dining table. If you enjoyed this journey into Punjab's culinary heritage, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And for the complete recipe, detailed instructions, FAQs, and many more fascinating food stories, don't forget to visit our blog through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the beautiful flavors of life. Happy cooking!